In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize Kit emails. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to insert your subscribers' information, like their first name or email address, directly into your messages so they feel more personal and less like a generic blast. Let's start inside your Kit account, in either a broadcast or a sequence. A broadcast is typically a one-time email you send to a group of subscribers, while a sequence is an automated series of emails that go out over time. The personalization process is the same in both, so choose whichever fits what you're working on right now and open its editor. Once you're in the editor, click directly into the body of your email where you want the subscriber's name or other data to appear. This might be at the very top of your message, in a greeting like "Hi," or in the middle of a sentence where you want to reference their name again. Placing your cursor precisely is important because Kit will insert the personalization code exactly where your cursor is. Now look for the plus icon, usually shown as a small plus button near your text formatting controls. Go ahead and click that icon. From the options that appear, choose Personalization. This is where Kit groups all the dynamic fields that can be pulled from each subscriber's profile. Within the personalization options, select subscriber's first name. When you do this, Kit will automatically insert a small piece of code into your email. It will look something like double curly brackets around the subscriber's first name field. You don't need to memorize or type this code yourself. The system handles that for you. Just know that it represents the first name stored in each person's subscriber record. When your email is sent, that code won't be visible to your subscribers. Instead, Kit will replace it with the actual first name of each person on your list. So, if your greeting is "Hi," followed by the first name code, each subscriber will see their own name there, like "Hi Alex" or "Hi Jordan." A helpful tip is to add this personalization wherever it feels natural, but don't overdo it. Using someone's name once or twice in a message is usually enough to make it feel friendly and tailored without sounding forced. And if you're ever unsure how it will look, use the preview feature inside Kit to double-check that the name appears the way you expect before sending.